Welcome to our guide on updating your LinkedIn profile to include your company website. Today, we'll walk you through the steps to ensure your business is represented accurately on this professional networking platform. Let's get started. First, open the LinkedIn app on your device. If you haven't logged in yet, enter your credentials to access your profile. Once you're in, look for the Me icon located at the top left corner of the screen. This icon is your gateway to managing your profile settings. Next, tap on the Settings option, then navigate to Account Preferences. This section houses various settings related to your LinkedIn account. Here, you'll find options that allow you to customize how your profile appears to others. Now, under the Profile Information section, click on Name, Location, and Industry. This area allows you to edit essential details about yourself and your professional identity. To proceed with adding your company website, look for the Edit icon next to this section. Once you've clicked on the Edit icon, you will enter the Edit Contact Info section. This is where you can manage all contact-related details, including adding or updating your website information. Here's where it gets specific. Find the field for the website you want to add. You will see an option to choose the type of website. Make sure to select company as the website type. This distinction is crucial as it helps LinkedIn categorize your link correctly and enhances your professional presence. After selecting company as the type, double-check that everything is accurate. When you're satisfied with the information provided, don't forget to click Save. This final step ensures that all changes are applied and that your company website is now linked on your profile. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully updated your LinkedIn profile with your company website type. This not only enhances your professional image, but also makes it easier for potential clients and connections to find more information about your business. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on optimizing your LinkedIn experience.